Any mother children never want his child to be dishonest. Every mother wants his child to be an honest person, to be a loyal person. Meanwhile, the owner of the wallet had given up all hope of ever getting his wallet or money back. So the meanwhile, at the time, the another side, the owner of the wallet, he was almost given up. Wallet had given up. He all his hope. He lose his hope. Lost his hope that he is going to get his wallet back. Imagine his surprise and delight when a little boy walked up to him with the wallet and all its content. So imagine he was so surprised and delight, very happy that one little boy is coming along with his purse to him and with all his content are safe, money, cards, everything safe inside the wallet. He could see from the boy's tattered clothes that Arun really needed the money. He saw Arun and Arun is giving his purse to him, he saw the condition of his clothes. Okay, so he thought that he saw that he could see that this boy needed money. He believed that he saw that and he understood that this boy needed money even though he returned that wallet. He was impressed by the young boy's honesty. He was impressed by his honesty. He bought Arun some food and asked him to tell about himself. Arun told the man his story. He bought some food to eat to give him and asked him tell about you. Then and also he asked, were you not tempted to keep the money? You did not wanted to take that money. You did not even any thought, single thought came to your mind to take this money with you. Asked the man. The man asked to Arun. Oh, yes, confessed Arun. Arun said yes. He did not lie. He said yes. I thought to keep that money. Then why did you return the wallet? Asked the man. Then man is asking, then why did you return? You could have taken with you, no? Then why did you return? Because I wanted to be like Gandhiji, replied Arun. Arun said, because I admire Gandhiji and I wanted to be like Mahatma Gandhiji. He replied, what can I give you for returning my wallet? Asked the man. So the man asked, what can I give you in return of this? A job, sir, only job at all, replied. Arun replied, only job, sir, please. Arun promptly, immediately Arun only said, only job I want. I am much stronger than what I look. Look at me. I am very strong. I can do any kind of work, hard work. And I will work hard. And I will also work hard. Certainly not, said the man. The man said, right now, no work for you. Certainly no. Arun's face fell, but he saw that the man was smiling. Arun's face fell, but he saw that man was smiling. Then man is saying, our little Gandhians should just study now, not work, he said. He said, our little Gandhi should go to school and for this is the right age for study, not for work. But my mother, she is not well, and stammered Arun. Arun could not speak. Stammer means when you are about to cry, no, in that state you cannot speak properly. So that is called stammer. So Arun stammered. Then she should be in hospital. I will see that. I will see to that. He said, then she will be hospital. She should go to hospital. I will see that, said Arun's new friend. That man became Arun's new friend. Said, you go only study. You think about your studies. You don't worry about your mother. She should be go to hospital and I will see that. Don't worry, he added, looking at the boy's troubled face. He saw his troubled face. He said, you only study and don't think about your mother. I will see that. I will pay for the treatment. and she will soon be home with you again. Arun was too happy to speak. He just smiled. Sorry. So Arun felt very happy that he is going to take all the charges of hospitalization and medicines. So he felt very happy and smiled. So this proved that children, honesty is the best policy. When you are honest and truthful, so one day you will get definitely the reward for that. Okay, so you should be honest, you should be loyal, right children? Keep in your mind, you should not speak a lie, you always speak the truth. So do watch this video, and after the video I will give you the snapshot of hard words and meanings and question and answer. Finish that and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, bye children, and take care of yourself.